What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters, guys? Y'all know maybe 2 years ago we got started on our journey in bees, and it has been an amazing journey. And you know, we've been bringing y'all along with us as we've been learning. And people ask us all the time, like, how did y'all get started? What should I do first? Well, there's a couple of things you definitely need to do. You know, you need to get as much information as you possibly can about raising bees. We suggest joining a local bee association, which will be amazing for you to actually get the knowledge of working with bees and the people in your community that's doing the same. Another thing you're going to definitely need is the equipment. All right, so we got some hives today from Bee Beehive. This particular package has a deep and a medium. Exactly what you need to get started with your first hive. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through this hive and see how easy it is to put it together. You know, I have done a few of them before, so we should check this out and see how this one works. So guys, let me tell you the first thing I've noticed. As I've been unpacking this material, I noticed that it is very well packed. Everything looks to be in place. Everything came in one piece. Then I was pleasantly surprised to realize when I actually took the boxes out, I could tell that they already waxed covered. So there's no need for me to have to do anything to protect these particular boxes. So this is great. And they have pre-drilled holes in them. So when you put them together, all you have to do is drill through. They come with screws, which is great. And I mean, everything looks really well put together, good quality. Alright guys, so when you get your box, you'll see that they got tongue and groove to connect them. Alright, so just put them together, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put these together. So guys, one thing you will notice when you get them, and don't let it throw you off, is the fact that they do fit together really tight. Okay, so the tongue and groove, you may think that you're doing something wrong or it don't fit, but no, it is designed to fit really tight. Alright guys, so we have our medium box put together, and man, these grooves, these tongue and grooves are really tight, which is a really good thing. Alright, so just make sure when you are putting yours together that you know that it's nothing wrong, because it goes together a little hard. So what I did, I took a hammer. Probably best to get a rubber hammer so you don't damage the wood, and just kind of beat it together. You know what I mean? So as you can see, there are pre-drilled holes. There's 1, 2, 3 on the sides, and there's 1 on the end, and that's on all corners. So these screws come along with it. So just simply, if you got a power drill, that's going to be your best way to go. And bring it together, just that simple. Alright guys, so we have our medium box completely assembled. We're going to repeat the same process with the deep box. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this, put our screws in, and continue on. Alright fam, so we have the deep box completed. Alright fam, now that we have our boxes put together, we gonna put our frames together. So we got one deep box, one medium box. Each box contains 10 frames. Alright, these are the size of the frame. Okay, we have a top and we have the bottom. Alright guys, so it's pretty simple to do. All you do is we use wood glue. Get you a little bit in there. Take your top, slide it on to one side. Slide the other one on to your other side. Pretty simple. Put you some glue in. Take your bottom, slide the bottom on. Good to go. Alright, so these are the frames. There are grooves on the top and the bottom. You just simply slide your frame in your top and then on your bottom. Alright, so this frame feels like it has a nice coat of wax on it, which is great because you don't have to go that extra step of putting wax on your frames. This kit do come with some nails that you can use to keep your frames together. Simply just set it in the middle of the frame, bam it in. Alright, no problem. I have an air gun, so I will put nails in it using the air gun. Alright guys, so these are the medium frames. Alright, as you can see they're a lot shorter, but the process is still the same. Alright guys, so the only thing that's going to change is the size of your sides. Alright, they're a lot shorter. Alright, the tops and the bottoms will be exactly the same. So you just repeat the process. You know, we do our wood glue. Get the same tops that you had, slide it on. And then put you some glue in the bottom. Alright guys, so we got everything put together. When I tell you that this kit comes with everything you need, it comes with everything you need. Really impressed with the quality of wood this thing is made out of. And everything that comes with this thing just says quality. You know, I never used maybe hives before, but I am really glad that I have this one. Guys, so if you're just getting started and you're trying to find a good hive to start with, this is an excellent hive with good quality that I'm sure will last you a very, very long time. All right, so let's see what all we got. Comes with a nice bottom board, all right? It's all coated with wax. You do not have to paint this. You can have this beautiful wood look on your hive, and it's protected. It comes with a entrance or excluder or whatever you want to call it that you can put on the front and determine what size or entrance you want for your bees. All right, fam. So we have the deep hive box. It is a 10 frame, and it comes with all 10 frames and everything you need. All right, fam. So it also comes with a medium box. It's 10 frame with all 10 frames. So guys, this thing comes with a queen excluder. All right, guys. So we got a top board, and it is all cut waxed. And it also comes with a heavy duty top. All right, that is some nice heavy wood. It is all waxed with a nice top, guys. So this is beautiful. All right, fam. Bee Beehive, guys. I'm really impressed with the quality of this hive. Check it out. You know, if you are looking for your very first hive, or you're looking for some more hives, I suggest you check this one out. You know, it's really good quality, guys. So I will post everything in the links below. I appreciate y'all for joining me while I put my new beehive together. Till the next time, guys.